Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I just finished a teeny tiny little journal and I want to make a little flip through. It's a very small journal and I gave it the name Story because this little piece of metal says Story. Don't know if you can see it clearly, it's already getting dark. It's made with design paper and a lot of lace, as I said, and I used a piece of ribbon as a closure. It's just a small little journal for some small notes or quotes, and I will show you the inside. Excuse me, my fingers, I made a little bit of a mess with some ink and you still can see the color on my fingers. I have to do a lot of dishes, I think, the next few days to get rid of it. So here, the journal. This is the cover. This is from Tim Holtz and it says Story. It opens like this. And these papers I bought from Etsy, in an Etsy shop, and I will put the link below. She has lovely vintage paper in her Etsy store, and yeah, I really like it. The vintage envelope also come from the same shop. So this is very, very beautiful, and I put something inside. Here a little picture, and here a piece of ephemera. So there is room for journaling in this small journal. You can do it on the tags, but you can see also here is room for some journaling. So if you flip the page, then on the other side, under the same paper clip, I have made a little tag with flowers, and on the back I will show you there's room for journaling. So here the more of that beautiful paper, really, really lovely. This is a gorgeous little picture, and this is music paper I used from an old music book, and this I stamped on a piece of paper, and this is actually a real vintage stamp I bought on a fair some years ago. Really beautiful. Here is this is an original piece of ephemera from, I believe, the 1920s, it will say on the other side. And here I made a little card with some embossing, and here I put a pin with a cute little button. And then here on the other side a tag as well, and this one, this is a stamp I saw also on the market, and I bought it, and it says in Dutch what friendship means. So it's a very, very pretty stamp. So that goes between here and here, the gorgeous paper. Here I put some lace. Here's already the middle of the journal. So it's really a small, very cute little journal. This is a tag I created myself with images from a very old magazine, and I made it into a sort of flashcard. I believe that's the right word. And in it I stamped a little paper, and that says just a note. So that goes in there. This is beautiful lace my daughter brought me once. And here also a tag. I created this myself, and beneath it I put a piece of that lovely embossed paper. So here's the other side of that original, how do you call it? It's quitantie in Dutch. So I don't know the English words, I'm sorry. Here the other side of the music paper, and here is a rose also embossed. And here I made another tag and paper on the back to journal on. And this is a piece of ephemera. This is also authentic, so it really is from 1936, the 29th of February 1936. So I bought that online. Beautiful papers. So here again, beautiful paper from the kit. Here I made another tag. It's very pretty. And on the back is room for journaling. See, no, there's nothing on the back. So this goes there. And here also I made a very small collage with a pin and a button on it. And this is a postcard. I also bought this on the market. It's authentic, it's real, a real card postal from Marseille. And here another envelope from the kit. It's beautiful, beautiful paper. And in it I put, let's see, a little card to write on and a cabinet card. And of course the new owner will can put lots of other things in this tiny envelope. So that goes there, and this is the back of the journal. And here is the other side of the lace. So here it is, a very teeny tiny little vintage journal. It was really a lot of fun to make it, and I hope you like it too. If you do, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.